Hello, welcome back. Quick video today. Today we're talking about the new unit and merch. If you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, stop watching. If you can't stop watching, give me a thumbs down. If you want to contact me, Church House Classics, it's all one word, @gmail.com. Also got a website, Church House Classics, it's still all one word, .co.uk. If you want to buy me a pint for any particular reason, down here, PayPal me thing, also includes supporting the channel. Thank you for everyone that has. Right, so, like I say, short video, so let's keep this one concise. Got a new unit. It's not quite as peaceful and quiet or scenic as it was in Devon, and I'll still be working out of Devon, but be working out here more frequently. So you can see it's a fair-sized unit. We're probably about 9 foot tall, so there's enough room to get a scissor lift in here. Plenty of room up in the east, store odds and sods like panels and stuff. There's a nice wasp's nest up there. Yeah, it's all right. Outside, we've got the source of all that background noise. We've got Wickham Recycling, which is very good. Like a bit of recycling. We've got quite a big secure compound as well, and all this comes as part of the lease. You can see L95 there, waiting patiently. Going to get a couple of containers in here with all my bits and bobs to locate. But yeah, starting to move in. I've got a job coming up next week, which is a left-hand drive conversion for a 1991, very tidy 1991 Range Rover. So I'm looking forward to getting that done. That'll be the first big job we do in here. First big job. Sorry. Right, in other news, what do you think? I'm really pleased with these. I think they've got a nice solid weight to them. I think that they are a nice dangly kind of swivelly key ring. Put your keys on there, you can open bottles with it. Don't have to be alcoholic bottles, of course. Logos on there, nice kind of plastic kind of printed label on there for the logo. Clean background, mirror finish. You can see me there in the background there. Look at that. What do you think? I think they're rather nice. Limited edition, these ones. First bit of merch I've ever tried my hand at. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm not in too deep. If you want one of these, then UK customers £7.50, rest of the world £9.50. Basically, all you would need to do is to send me your address and name to the PayPal me link, scrolling across the bottom of the screen now, and your requirement. So if you send me £7.50 in the UK address, I shall send you one. Okay? And they come out in the post, nicely wrapped, with a little invoice from me saying thank you very much. I think they're really classy. Perfect present for the missus. There you go. Right, so plans. Needs to do a little bit of work. This space has been used by a builder's merchant beforehand. Left me a ton of wood, which is really nice of him. I'm well chuffed with that lot. The plan's really, I need to do a bit more security around the doors. Because at the moment there's been no value in here, tools and stuff like that. I'm not going to keep a ton of stuff in here anyway, but this door's not even attached to the bottom door, so I need to sort the doors out. It's relatively straightforward. Get that done. Replace this door. This needs to be a metal door, really. At the moment it's just like a cheapo fire door. It's not really going to be holding anyone back, is it? So that's this week's activities. Got a little secure fence down the sides here, not really a problem. As far as the condition inside, we've got an insulated roof. I might get some insulation panels around the walls to keep it a little bit warmer during the winter. We're middle of November at the moment, so what are we? 11th November. So a little bit warmer. It'll do nicely, this. I need to replace some of this boarding along here, this useful kind of area. It's actually left me a ton of scaffold boards. So what I'll do is I'll end up making a decent sized bench out of the scaffold boards. And that'll do that. As you can see, there's a shitload of room in here. There really is. So that's a 20-foot container, the blue container there. You could probably get a container in that corner there, this way. I want to certainly get a container here, this way. Ideally, I want the container with side doors on it, so I can keep odds and sods in it. In here, more than enough room for at least one car, but certainly one car while I'm working on it. So yeah, I say that a lot, don't I? So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. My new home. Put the camp bed down here. There is no running water in here. There is no bog. None of that. So I'll have to get myself a porta potty. What some of the other guys in the unit here do is they use shitter cabins. Is it shitter cabins or porta potties? The stand-up ones, yeah. But get one of those. That'll be fine. Next door, apparently behind this wall, apparently there is a water supply. So I'm going to trade off a bit of electricity for some water, I think, I hope. Boards up here as well, a couple of scaffold boards. There's plenty of room up in the eaves here to store stuff. Traditional tube lights. These may or may not get replaced. At the moment they'll stay. But I think this one's gone. I'll just need to find out why it's gone. It could just be the starter switch. I'm really excited to sleep up there, in fact. Yeah. So doors is my primary concern, I think. Need to get the doors fixed. That's a job for the rest of this week. Get the doors resolved. Sort out some decent security on the doors. And I think I'll be okay in here. Looking forward to it. Floor's reasonably flat. It could do with a screed. You can see it's not perfect, but it's as good as the barn floor in Devon is. That's a room. Tea, coffee making facilities. There is power in here. The power currently comes from next door via this. I'm going to sort out, there's a nice armoured cable coming in there. I'm going to sort out a supply because I believe the cable which runs right the way through the units is now available for me. This cable over here. So I'm going to talk to the landlord about that. Some bobs. These are quite useful. You're going to chuck these on the skip. And I said, no, I'll have those. They're useful. Apparently they don't go up and down anymore, but that doesn't bother me in the slightest because they're more or less the ideal working height for me to weld. So I'll make a welding table out of those. Yeah. Excellent stuff, eh? Right, I'm going to go and get some supplies now. To get myself organised, set up, because today is Wednesday. Tomorrow, I'm going to sort these doors out. I am.